This is how to set up email reminders to others in Outlook, step by step. Open Outlook and click the calendar icon on the left side. Then either double-click the existing meeting or click New Meeting in the ribbon. Add your attendees in the To field first. In the meeting window, make sure the names are actually sitting in the To field before you touch anything else. Outlook will only send the reminder to people already on the invite, so adding them after the fact doesn't help. Now click More Options near the top right of the meeting window, and the full Meeting Options panel opens. Look for the reminder drop-down at the top of that panel and click it. You'll see the normal pop-up alert option, but you want the one below it, Add Email Reminder. Choose that. The dialog expands with a time drop-down and a message box, and the reminder type changes from pop-up to email. That's the moment you know you're in the right place. Set the time drop-down to 30 minutes before the event. I use 30 minutes because the default 15 minutes is too late if someone is on a call or walking across campus. The drop-down includes options from 15 minutes up to 2 weeks, but for most meetings, 30 or 60 minutes is the one that actually works. Now click into the reminder text box and type exactly what you want them to read. I'd put something direct like boarding call starts in 30 minutes, not a full agenda. The subject line already tells them which meeting it is, so this box is for the one-line action. This is where people paste a huge block of text and then nobody reads it. Just below that, check the box labeled Send to Attendees. This is the setting that actually pushes the email out. If you don't check it, only you get the reminder, and that's the mistake I've made more than once. The checkbox only appears after you've chosen Add Email Reminder, so if you don't see it, go back to the drop-down. Now click Save if this is an existing meeting that already went out, or Send if you're sending the invite for the first time. If the meeting already exists, Outlook pops the Send Update prompt and you confirm that you want to send the update to everyone. Don't close that prompt early because if you do, no one gets the new reminder. Once the meeting is saved, open it again if you want to edit or remove the reminder later. Go back to that same reminder drop-down, choose None, and save the change. For a recurring meeting, Outlook asks whether to apply this to just this one or the entire series. Pick the entire series if you want the reminder on every occurrence. If you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe, and leave a comment saying this was helpful. Comments are what push this to other people looking for the same thing.